Figured I would do this update while I'm enjoying some snuggles from Ellie over here. Today is April 19th. It's getting close to 7:30 tonight. This update will probably be quick, which is good, because that means there's not a whole lot of new news. Ellie's been doing good with her feeds. She's at 24 milliliters, and she's been doing good with that all day. They haven't pulled back a lot of residual feed. The nurse that's here today told us that she was in between just 2 mLs or 3 mLs as far as what they pulled back just before they gave her feed, which is good news. That means she's digesting and handling it herself. Yeah, she said yeah. So they're going to move her up to 29 milliliters. They actually started that with her 6 p.m. feed, and that's those fortified feeds, so they're adding in more calories to help her continue to gain weight and get bigger and stronger. She did get a new weight today. She is 3 pounds, 10.1 ounces, so she just keeps on moving up, which is good news. And tomorrow is the 20th, so she'll receive her last dose of the vancomycin antibiotics tomorrow morning. Will be her last dose, and that little IV should come out of her hand once they're able to discontinue the antibiotics. But she's been doing good. Still thinking the CPAP will come off once she gets to that 150, 160 mils per kilo range. Right now she's in the 130, 140 mils per kilo range, so hopefully just a couple more days, and then once she does get to that range, they're going to want to monitor her for 24 hours before they remove the CPAP. And the reason they're doing that is, it's funny to think about, but when she's this small, it takes energy to eat and to deal with the additional calories, so they didn't want to take the CPAP off while she's continuing to have to work to tolerate the feeds, and they didn't want to add an additional stress if they were to take the CPAP mask off. So they're doing a good job with her, and she's got a good team over here, so she's definitely in good hands. But all her numbers have been looking good. Her oxygen's still just at room air, and she's still on the pressure of 5. They did just switch out from the mask with the seal to the mask with the little 2 prongs in it, just to give her nose a little bit of a break. But she's been doing good with that and keeps on getting bigger and stronger every day. So that's all we can ask for. So hopefully just a few more days, and we'll get to see that pretty little face all the time once the CPAP comes off.